When it comes to the safe transportation of radioactive waste, Canada has a strong track record. As one of the major global producers of radioactive material, we safely transport more than 1 million packages containing radioactive material each year. It's important to understand how we regulate this type of package and its transportation as we work together on creating an integrated long-term strategy for the management of radioactive waste. The responsibility for regulating the safe transportation sits with both the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission, the CNSC, and Transport Canada. Like every other industrialized country, Canada follows the International Atomic Energy Agency's regulations for the packaging and transportation of radioactive material. These regulations are based on the principle that safety results from the design of the package being transported, rather than relying on human intervention during transportation. These regulations have been in place for over 60 years. In that time, there has never been an accident with any significant release of material to the environment. There's more regulations for packages that cover the labeling, quality assurance, and record keeping, as well as regulations for the type of transportation: road, rail, air, or sea. The nature, form, quantity, and activity of each piece of radioactive material determines what kind of package is used. The more hazardous the material, the more robust the package. Designers build packaging considering that an accident could happen, and therefore everything is designed and built to contain the radioactive material in the event of an accident. To transport radioactive materials, an organization must have an emergency plan, keep a radiation protection program, train staff, and report any incidents to the CNSC. All packages for radioactive materials in Canada must meet the regulations set by the CNSC. If the CNSC is not convinced that a shipment or package will be completed safely, it will not allow the package to be used. Now that we know the strict rules for organizations that are packaging and transporting radioactive materials in our country, let's keep learning and discussing our options to create an integrated long-term plan for radioactive waste in Canada.